Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So I'm excited to show you how I perform plasma pen on under eyelids for skin tightening, rejuvenation, fine lines and wrinkles. So really tightens the skin and resurfaces the skin. So I'm really excited. The results are absolutely amazing. I have my customer here and I will be performing that. So she had numbing cream for about 45 minutes. So the skin is really numb. She wouldn't feel really anything. The procedure probably will take about half an hour maximum. I'm really excited to show you this. So let's dive into it. So this is my device. So what plasma pen is basically a procedure for skin tightening. Uses the device, so there is like small spark coming out from the edge of the needle. So I never touch the skin with the needle, but rather than there is a spark that is created, and this spark basically touches the skin in a controlled way, burns the skin. So it creates small tiny dots, burnt dots onto the skin. So I have to kind of like really nicely spread those dots in a kind of like special way, so they work together and the skin really heals from inside. A very controlled stroma, so results are always great. It is similar effect like after a laser skin resurfacing or CO2 laser, like really strong CO2 laser. It's exactly kind of the same result. So that's why I love this treatment so much. We can do it on anywhere in the body. We can do it for stretch marks, plasma pen for fine lines, plasma pen for wrinkles, plasma pen for, in general, skin rejuvenation, pigmentation, so scarring, acne scarring. So it's great for all of those concerns. So in our case, we're just gonna treat fine lines and wrinkles under the eyes. So we'll really tighten the skin after the procedure. So usually after the procedure, the skin will feel hot, tight, sore. The next few hours will get better. The area will start getting scabby for the next few days. The scabs will start coming off. 5 to 7 days, they'll completely go. So completely scab off. So they're going to be new baby skin underneath, much firmer, much tighter, much clearer as well. Great results are expected. It's good to do another treatment as well, or another couple of sessions, but that can be only done 3 months later. So we can do one today, and 3 months later we can do another one potentially. Always sunscreen once the scabs come off. Always sunscreen. I also recommend melanin suppressors. I can link some products in the description below. Some products for actually pigmentation or brightening of the skin, just because actually the skin will be extra sensitive, and since we remove a lot of layers of the skin, we need to make sure that there will be no hypopigmentation forming post-procedure. So we have to be super careful and avoid any adverse reaction. So that treatment can be performed only on light skin types, like skin type 1 to 3, maximum skin type 4. Skin phototypes is very important because of the melanin the darker skin produce, and is very high risk of hypopigmentation. So we will only really be performing that treatment. Ideally, winter months when it's cold and not very sunny, and we will also will be performing that treatment on lighter skin types, 1 to 3, maximum light skin type 4. Let's now start with the procedure. I will be actually added some more numbing cream, so I'm gonna remove this. We'll start with that eye, her right eye, and then I'll move to the left one. So let's go. I'll take this, apply over the mole. I know. We can see how that shrinks. Instantly the skin. Perfect. Oh, that's really good.
Yeah.
Uh-huh. Well done. Yeah, good.
Can you see it straight
Yeah.
away?
Yeah, you can see it right away. I'm gonna do maybe one more line underneath. Chloe, close your eyes.
Wow.
It's so good.
And it tightens up.
Of course, look, it's already looks a bit tight.
So good.
It's gonna be a bit swollen after that,
Of
after 2 to 3
course.
days, and you're not gonna touch it. I'll explain proper aftercare.
Yeah. It looks so good
It's
though.
really good. It's really good.
It looks so interesting. Yay.
Break? Can I give you a break?
Yeah. It's okay. Let's just do it.
Almost done. Okay, done. Perfect. That's it done.
Oh my gosh.
It's good.
It's gonna look so good.
It's
I can see it already. It's so good. It's so interesting though how it's those like spotty,
Tuck,
like
tuck, tuck,
yeah,
tuck.
tick tick tick.
They
like
have
a
to be
tattoo.
spreaded in a very unique way, otherwise it's very,
Wow.
it's risky, you know.
I'm excited to see.
I'll apply something, but in general, you just leave it as it is, dry healing, nothing. I'll tell you to get a cream from Boots, 8 pounds, Aquaphor, and you can just apply it every day. I'll explain you. I'll give you aftercare.
Perfect. Thank you.
Yeah. So I'll just take that off. So I just completed the treatment of plasma pen under the eyes for skin tightening, fine lines, just like overall skin rejuvenation. So it's great. How was it, Carly? How do you feel?
Oh, sorry, I got all excited. It was good. It was really less painful than I thought it was going to be.
Okay.
It's still a bit burny, but it was less painful because you applied the cream and your technique was really, really good.
Oh, thank you so much.
I can feel already my skin is like tightening, and so I'm excited to see what happens.
Me too. The results will be great. So thank you so much for sharing. So what she needs to do now, dry healing is the best. So I haven't applied anything actually. I'll leave it like that. It's better to leave it like this for a few hours. I could apply Vaseline to take the heat away, but it's not too much of a heat you're feeling. Because of this, I prefer to leave it as it is and not to put anything because it's too fresh. In about few hours, so obviously I've cleansed the area, so it's like absolutely disinfected, so there is nothing to worry about in terms of bacterial infection. What she needs to do is, for the next few hours, so when she goes home, she can get an Aquaphor cream for herself and then start applying. Maybe in tonight, I'll give her a wipe for wounds, so she can just very quickly just tap in, not even wipe, just tap, 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 so it's, you know that it's clean. And then you're gonna apply that cream on the skin, and then you're gonna leave that cream. You will not wash the area, so no water for 5 to 7 days until the scabs come off. Dry healing is the best. Yeah, it just really prepare the skin underneath to be very, very kind of firm, very strong skin with a lot of collagen and elastin. Is just amazing for that. So we just really want to make sure that you are not touching the skin, no, like scratching it, don't touch it, don't itch. Just leave it as it is. It might be a bit itchy though when it starts peeling. Leave it as it is. Just that cream you're gonna apply, and you don't need to clean it before apply. I mean, you're gonna be at home, you're not gonna go anywhere really, isn't it? Or even if you go somewhere, to be honest with you, it's better to not even touch it for a few days. It just goes through healing process. It's just because as much as you touch it, you may actually remove some of the scabs before the skin underneath is ready, just because of this. So it's, at the moment, skin goes through very different stage of healing. I mean, it's the wounds, like the actual phases of skin healing are 4, and at the moment we are still at the instant to second phase. So during that time you don't have to worry too much about infection unless you scratch it and touch it. Otherwise nothing will happen to the skin, so you just leave it as it is. Skin has protection anyway, so it's absolutely fine. So we're going to be like that. And then once the actual scabs come off, you have to use the cream I'm going to show you in a bit. You have to apply that cream morning and evening, always in the morning, followed by sunscreen. That's it. It's very important. No active sunlight. In the next few days, no hot shower, steam sauna, active exercises. Just make sure you leave the skin to relax. So guys, please subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more videos like that. I spend a lot of effort. Please, if you can just tell me your opinion on the videos. If you have any questions related to that video, or if you would like to share your experience with plasma pen, can you please let me know how you felt, if you had any issues, any hyperpigmentation, if you like the results. Please let me know at the section below. And I really hope I'll see you in my next video.